has only clean water and has a grit guard at the bottom, so that when I dip it in here before I dip it back into the soap, all the water, all the dirty stuff will fall in, and it won't scratch my car. So this bucket will be filled with soap and water, and will be I'll dip it into here, and then I'll dip it back into here, and we will start the car. After the one bucket has been filled up with only water and the one bucket has been filled up with soap, we are going to rinse down the car. How does, like, they're still dirty. I haven't cleaned them, but I'm not going to. Watch. You can just get some BDP, some Brake Dust Pro, some touchless brake release. Best stuff I've ever used. Helps on anything. I had them on my old rims and tires. Work like a charm. All you do, spray a little bit. Spray a little bit, right? Get everywhere. Right? Look at that. Can't really see it, but it's purple. It makes it purple. It literally grabs all of the brake dust, turns it into purple mush, and runs down your wheel. Don't get it in your mouth though, it's kind of nasty. So I'm gonna spray every wheel and then wait for it to soak and rinse off. So you wait about 2 minutes, let it all drain down, and it's an easy rinse. So I'm gonna do it to all 4 tires and continue on. There's hardly any stuff on the car, and I don't have to scrub hardly at all. It's literally just gonna wash right off and be easy as anything for me. What else I'm gonna be using besides Brake Dust Pro and 2 bucket system? I used some McGuire's Deep Crystal Car Wash Polish. I'm gonna use some Ultimate Compound, some cleaner wax, some Black Magic Tire Foam to make those tires really black and shiny. Some glass cleaner, not too expensive, really cheap, but it does the job. This blade is to just pretty much just grab the water and just push it off the car, so you don't have to wipe as much down. And then we have some brushes here for the wheels. Don't know if I have to use them. Might use them a little bit just to get the excess off. And then some towels. Hey guys, I am currently editing the BOXERFEST Prep Part 3 video. This is the third of the third video. It is all about cleaning my car. I did the whole makeover. If you watched the last video, there wasn't much of a makeover because you didn't really see it. I improvised, put some other stuff in, so go watch it out. Both of those videos are in a playlist called BOXERFEST 2017. So I wanted to interrupt this video real quick, just a short interruption to say, 1, Happy New Year to you guys. I forgot to say in the last video. And then 2, I will be making a whole detailing guide soon. I'm currently starting kind of my own business with detailing. You can bring your car to me. Go check out Zubi Detailing. I'll put it down here. And then I wanted to say that the ending of the video is going to be some live action from BOXERFEST. I took some videos. David Higgins was there. We got a picture or a video of a WRX with a GTR engine inside. So I actually personally know Austin, so his car was awesome to start up. I'm possibly going to see him soon, so stay tuned for that. And then just want to say, hope you like the videos, and we'll see you on Thursday.
Yeah.